Every Jaguar vehicle feels as alive as the day it was created, whether it is new or approved. So you can be reassured that any approved Jaguar from Autoboland is authenticated, rejuvenated, and as alive as the day it was born. To guarantee it leaves us in immaculate condition, an approved customer promise is in place. This gives you absolute peace of mind and ensures your car delivers the most exhilarating drive possible. And knowing that the Boland name has been synonymous with the motor industry for the best part of 100 years only furthers that sense of security for our customers. For more information on our Jaguar range, contact Autoboland on 051 335 000 or visit our website www.autoboland.com.